The Northern Hemisphere holds a secret. A symphony plays in its forests and mountains. This is the world of wolves, magnificent creatures woven into the fabric of the wild. Their howls, far from being sounds of menace, are vital communications, maintaining pack bonds and territory boundaries. This is the story of those echoes in the night, the story of wolves unleashed. Wolves, as apex predators, sit atop the food chain. By preying on the weak and the sick, wolves prevent the spread of disease and overgrazing. Consider the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park. The return of wolves triggered a trophic cascade, a chain reaction that rippled through the ecosystem. Imagine a cold, clear night. Suddenly, a sound pierces the silence. A long, drawn-out howl, mournful yet beautiful. This is the call of the wild, the voice of the wolf echoing through the forests and mountains. Each howl carries information, from the location of prey to the announcement of a new litter of pups. The world of wolves extends far beyond a single monolithic entity. From the frozen Arctic tundra to the sun-drenched plains of the south, wolves have carved their place in the grand tapestry of life. One cannot speak of wolves without acknowledging the grey wolf, Canis lupus, a species that embodies the very essence of the wild. But the grey wolf is just one member of a much larger family. The grey wolf, often referred to as the timber wolf, stands as a testament to adaptability and resilience. Their range, once spanning most of the northern hemisphere, has been drastically reduced due to human activity. However, their ability to thrive in a variety of habitats speaks volumes about their adaptability. Grey wolves are renowned for their hunting prowess, employing a combination of stamina and strategy to bring down prey much larger than themselves. In the southeastern United States, a smaller, more elusive cousin of the grey wolf roams the remaining wild spaces. The red wolf, Canis rufus, named for its distinctive reddish coat, once thrived across the southeastern United States, but habitat loss and interbreeding with coyotes have pushed this species to the brink of extinction. Red wolves are highly social animals living in packs that typically consist of a breeding pair and their offspring. Ongoing conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs and habitat restoration, offer a glimmer of hope for the survival of this iconic species. In the unforgiving wilderness, survival hinges on the ability to secure sustenance. Wolves, as apex predators, have honed their hunting skills over millennia, evolving into highly efficient hunters capable of taking down prey many times their size. Unlike solitary predators that rely on stealth and ambush, wolves employ a pack-based hunting strategy that allows them to target larger prey. This cooperative approach transforms the hunt into a carefully orchestrated ballet of movement and communication. The success of a wolf hunt hinges on seamless teamwork, a testament to the intricate social bonds and communication within a pack. Each wolf plays a specific role, their actions dictated by their position within the pack hierarchy and their individual strengths. The alpha pair, the leaders of the pack, typically orchestrate the hunt, using a combination of vocalizations and body language to direct the other wolves. Wolves also employ a technique known as relay running, where individual wolves take turns chasing the prey at high speed, allowing others to conserve energy and rejoin the pursuit when the lead wolf tires. The life of a wolf is a delicate balance between feast and famine. Successful hunts are cause for celebration, a time for the pack to replenish their energy reserves after days or even weeks of searching for sustenance. When a kill is made, the pack descends upon the carcass with a ravenous hunger, their previous restraint giving way to primal instinct. Despite their efficiency, wolves only succeed in a fraction of their hunts. Within the untamed embrace of the wild, where survival hinges on unity and cooperation, wolf packs stand as exemplars of social complexity. These are not mere aggregations of individuals, but tightly knit families, bound by an intricate web of hierarchy, communication, and shared purpose. At the heart of this intricate social structure lies the alpha pair, the dominant male and female who lead the pack. Beneath the alpha pair, a clear hierarchy unfolds, often determined by age, lineage, and individual temperament. The alpha male and female, often the pack's founders or their direct descendants, hold a position of authority, guiding the pack's movements, mediating disputes, and leading the hunt. Below the alphas, other pack members occupy various ranks, each with its own set of responsibilities and privileges. Beta wolves, typically older, experienced individuals, serve as trusted lieutenants, assisting the alphas in maintaining order and providing guidance to younger pack members. At the bottom of the hierarchy reside the omega wolves, often the youngest or most submissive individuals. The arrival of pups each spring injects a surge of energy and renewal into the pack. Born blind and helpless, these tiny bundles of fur represent the future of the pack, carrying within them the genetic legacy of their ancestors. The responsibility for raising the pups falls not just on the alpha female, but on the entire pack. As the pups grow, they engage in playful mock battles, honing their hunting skills and developing the social awareness that will guide their interactions within the pack. A successful hunt culminates in a scene both primal and poignant. The wolves, their energy spent in the chase, gather around the fallen prey, their panting breaths mingling with the scent of blood and musk. The feast, however, is not a free-for-all, but a carefully orchestrated ritual that reinforces the pack's social hierarchy and ensures the survival of its members. The alpha pair, their authority unquestioned, feeds first, their powerful jaws tearing through muscle and bone, consuming the nutrient-rich organs that provide sustenance and vitality. Their priority access to the kill is not merely a privilege, but a necessity, for their strength and well-being are paramount to the pack's survival. As the alpha pair sates their hunger, they step back, allowing the remaining pack members to feed in descending order of rank. This orderly distribution of food, though seemingly ruthless, serves to minimize conflict and ensure that all members receive their share of the bounty. Even in the midst of this primal act, a sense of community prevails. Mothers will often regurgitate partially digested food for their pups, providing them with nourishment that their still developing digestive systems can easily process. This act of selflessness underscores the strong familial bonds that underpin wolfpack dynamics. Wolves, though often perceived as quintessential carnivores, possess a surprising degree of dietary flexibility, adapting their feeding habits to the seasonal availability of prey and the unique ecological niches they inhabit. Their preferred prey varies across their vast range, encompassing a spectrum of creatures from the mighty bison to the humble rodent. In the remote reaches of the Arctic, where temperatures plummet and snow blankets the landscape for months on end, wolves rely heavily on caribou, muskoxen, and even Arctic hares to sustain them through the long winter months. These large ungulates, their movements hampered by the deep snow, provide a substantial source of calories and nutrients. Further south, in the temperate forest of North America and Eurasia, wolves prey on deer, elk, moose, and wild boar, their hunting strategies adapted to the dense undergrowth and varied terrain of their forested domain. Their ability to take down prey much larger than themselves is a testament to their cooperative hunting techniques and unwavering tenacity. During the lean summer months, when prey is scarce, wolves supplement their diet with a variety of plant matter, including berries, fruits, and grasses. These readily available sources of carbohydrates and vitamins provide essential nutrients that sustain them until the return of more abundant prey. Wolves play a pivotal role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. Their presence is essential to the health and vitality of the natural world. As apex predators, they regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing. Their hunting culls the weak and sick, maintaining genetic vigor. Carcasses provide sustenance for scavengers, recycling nutrients. Wolves' presence allows vegetation to thrive, benefiting many species. Their survival is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Wolf size a blend of power and grace, never fails to captivate. Standing tall at the shoulder with a gaze that pierces the distance, a wolf embodies the wild spirit of its ancestors. But size in the wolf world is not merely a matter of aesthetics, it's a reflection of lineage, habitat, and natural selection. Across the globe, wolves exhibit a remarkable range in size, a testament to their adaptability. From the diminutive Arabian wolf to the imposing grey wolves of the Canadian Arctic, size tells a story of survival and adaptation to diverse ecological niches. One of the most striking correlations in the wolf world is the relationship between latitude and size. As a general rule, wolves living in higher latitudes, closer to the poles, tend to be larger than their counterparts residing closer to the equator. This phenomenon, known as Bergmann's rule, reflects a fundamental principle of thermoregulation, the art of maintaining a stable body temperature. In colder climates, where temperatures plummet and snow blankets the landscape for months on end, larger body size offers a distinct advantage. A lower surface area to volume ratio minimizes heat loss, allowing wolves to conserve precious energy and withstand the frigid temperatures. Conversely, wolves inhabiting warmer climates, such as the Arabian Peninsula or the southern United States, tend to be smaller, their lithe frames better suited to dissipating heat and navigating dense undergrowth. This adaptation reflects the delicate balance between thermoregulation and resource availability, as smaller prey items often dictate smaller predator size. Latitude, however, is just one piece of the puzzle. Other factors such as prey abundance, genetic lineage, and even competition with other predators contribute to the remarkable variation in size observed within and between wolf species. While size is undoubtedly influenced by environmental factors, it's essential to recognize that a wolf's stature is also a reflection of its ecological role. Size in this context is not merely a measure of physical dimensions, but a testament to evolutionary pressures that have shaped wolves into highly specialized predators. Consider the grey wolves of Yellowstone National Park, renowned for their size and hunting prowess. These wolves, reintroduced to the park in the 1990s, have thrived in an ecosystem teeming with elk, their primary prey. Their large size, a product of both genetics and abundant food sources, allows them to take down these formidable ungulates, contributing to the park's ecological balance. Contrast this with the red wolves of the southeastern United States, a smaller, more elusive subspecies facing an uncertain future. Their smaller stature, a consequence of both genetic lineage and a diet consisting primarily of smaller prey items, such as white-tailed deer and rodents, reflects their adaptation to a different ecological niche. Size, therefore, is not a measure of superiority, but rather a reflection of the intricate dance between predator and prey, environment and evolution. Understanding this interplay is crucial to appreciating the diversity and resilience of wolves, these adaptable and often misunderstood creatures that grace our planet. We have walked in the paw prints of wolves, explored their domains, and witnessed the intricate tapestry of their lives. From the frozen Arctic to the sun-drenched plains, wolves have carved their niche, not as ruthless destroyers, but as architects of balance, their howls echoing the song of a healthy ecosystem. Yet their song is increasingly fragile, their symphony often drowned out by the relentless march of human progress. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and human-wildlife conflict cast long shadows over their future. The very landscapes that nurtured wolves for millennia are now fragmented by roads, agriculture, and urban sprawl, shrinking their hunting grounds and disrupting their ancient migratory routes. The echoes of gunshots, once a natural part of the predator-prey dance, now carry a more ominous tone, a reminder of the persecution wolves have faced for centuries. Perceived as competitors for game species or threats to livestock, wolves have been hunted, trapped, and poisoned, their numbers decimated across vast swathes of their former range. The story of the wolf, however, is not yet finished. As we enter the Anthropocene, an era defined by human influence on the planet, we have a choice to make. Will we continue to push these creatures to the brink? Or will we embrace our role as guardians, ensuring their survival for generations to come? The future of wolves rests not on their shoulders but on ours. We are inextricably linked to nature's fate. Conservation is about coexisting, sharing the landscape sustainably. Dedicated individuals work tirelessly to protect wolves and their habitats. From satellite tracking studies to community-based programs fostering coexistence, hope flickers amidst challenges. Education is paramount. By dispelling myths and fostering understanding, we can cultivate a generation that values wolves. The awe-inspiring sight of a wolf pack on the hunt, the chilling beauty of their howls, these experiences should not be lost to future generations. The task before us is not easy. It requires responsible land management, addressing human-wildlife conflict with compassion and innovation, and a global effort to combat climate change. The legacy we leave will be judged by the wild spaces we preserve, the species we save, and the symphony of life we allow to flourish. Let the howl of the wolf be a call to action, a reminder that our fate is linked to the health of the planet we call home. Help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video.